got another Doctor Who Amazing Mystery Box. This one is for September, and as usual we've got some interesting stamps. So I don't know what series this was, but we've got Fred Perry, tennis blokey, Wiggy Henry Purcell, Matt Busby, footballer, and William Gladstone, bewhiskered Prime Minister. So interesting. I don't know where they're getting from, but okay, let's do the first item. Sharp look. Let's have a look. Take this out. So, it's a Eagle Moss figure, and it's a Weeping Angel. I don't have a Weeping Angel. That's really nice. They've done a nice paint job on that. Let's get it out and have a look. Rubbish. So it's actually, that's a really good looking figure. I'm quite happy with that one. I don't think that will need much painting. The cat's just joined me, so if I can show you. Maggie, keep an eye on that for me. Keep looking at her. See, that's how you get around the Weeping Angels. Yeah, look. Got her, well done. That's what you deal with them. That's what Doctor Who should have, a cat, and this canine rubbish. Well done. Right, next one. This is a TARDIS mug. I've had one of these before, so that'll probably be gifted to someone. There's a Dalek one and a police box one. Because they're ceramic, you can't really use them for sort of taking travelling, but that's the heavy item, which leads me to suspect there's not much else left in there. Let's have a look. We have a little Doctor Who micro figure, like a little Lego man. Shall we see which one we've got? Let me get the scalpel. I like blind bags, these are good. We've got, let me just tip it out. I'll just build it up quickly. Okay. I've got the collection of these somewhere. So we've got, do you think it's meant to be Clara? Should we see what it's meant to be on the bit of paper? It is Clara Oswald. So there we go. I haven't got her, so she can go. I've got a TARDIS somewhere for them, I think. Okay. Next item is excellent. So the Crooked World, Steve Lyons book. I think it's meant to be a good one. This, it's one of the 8th Doctor books. We like books. Oh, it's maybe empty box. Oh, that's nice. Exterminate Dalek t-shirt. I like t-shirts that aren't white, so that's a t-shirt I will be wearing. That's good. So I think that might be it. It might be a very light box this time. Let's just have a look. Oh, hey, got another one of them. Let's have a look, see who we got this time. The War Doctor would be good. I think that's quite nice. It is. Oh, I like this. Hold on. This is a good one. I like this one figure. It's his name's Strax, I think. The Sontaran Butler. Wonderfully violent, as the 4th Doctor might say. He's good. So yeah, so we've had one duff item, and the rest are pretty good. Got anything else? Oh, one other item, and it's excellent. A Doctor Who audio CD, Companion Chronicles Empathy Games, and that's with David Warner and Louise Jameson, one of my favourite companions, Leela. Brilliant stuff. So I think overall, that was a good box. So the mug, not so great. All the other items, I'm really happy with. So, what does Maggie think? You know, Mags, what do you think? Couldn't care less. Bless her. Well, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more of these boxes, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks, then. Bye.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Bloody Alexa.